So many pieces in. It's not working. Oh, and I forgot the head for the person.
Good morning. Here we are. We have woken up in the country of Slovenia. Yeah, we've taken a little trip from our vacation in Austria, and we've taken a trip down. We actually arrived yesterday. Yeah, it's an absolutely gorgeous day here today. So we're going to take a trip to Peričnik, I think it's pronounced, and that's in a place called Triglav here in Slovenia. It's not very far from where we're staying. We're staying in this cool little place. It's a little, but it's just the ground floor apartment here. This area is absolutely gorgeous. Today, it's such a beautiful day. The weather is amazing. Yeah, so we're surrounded by these gorgeous mountains here, all around. It looks like Austria, actually, really, to be fair. There are parts of Slovenia that you can tell the architecture is different, whereas in Austria, the buildings are really kind of uniform and they all look the same, and everything's like, this is how it looks here. But as soon as we cross the border into Slovenia, there's some high rises and things like that, and some things that weren't quite as beautiful as they are and have been in Austria. Hey, this area is gorgeous. So I filmed a little bit on the way. I know it's going to get a little bit boring, but I filmed some interesting places. I'll see you when we get there to the waterfall. So see you in a bit. Whew. Quite a long way up here. Oh man, loving the hiking. Good for the bones. Well, it's not really. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Look at that.
Can you see the rainbow, guys?
So there it is, you guys. The waterfall we came to see. Amazing. You can see just how it's cut through the landscape over millions of years. This whole cavern here was been created by this waterfall. Yeah, absolutely amazing. It's such a gorgeous day. I can't believe it. I mean, it's freezing when we're walking up here, but amazing. Amazing, huh, Josh?
It's wet.
It's wet. It is wet, but it's so cool. So cool, man. Woo! So there you go, you guys. Peričnik. Unbelievable. Absolutely amazing. There it is. Peričnik. Fantastic hike. Really awesome. I mean, it was freezing when we were walking up there because the sun wasn't quite over these hills yet. And as you walk up, we're like, oh, it's so cold. But then as soon as we were up there, the sun was out. I was like, oh, I'm roasting. Whew, sweating. I think we're gonna have some lunch now. We bought a packed lunch because there's nothing. I don't think there's anything here really for you to get lunch. So bring your own lunch. If you've got hiking boots and those hiking sticks that you can get, bring them because it's quite steep. Yeah, I mean you've got to see the colour of this water as well. This river running by, absolutely crystal.
So pretty it makes me angry.
So pretty it makes me angry, she says. Have you ever seen a river this clear? It's like drinking water. So yeah, pretty much the clearest river water I think you'll ever see anywhere. It's like
completely implonculous. That's a new word.
implonculous, says Josh. Yeah, the most implonculous river you'll ever come across. Alright, well we're going to eat our lunch now, and that's us for this video for today. So, hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, catch you on the next one.